So, how is the world draining you? Well, I'll let you know. The world drains you through constant digital connectivity, overwhelming multitasking, and emotional labor that causes chronic mental, physical, and emotional fatigue. Ask me, I've been there. Key factors include overthinking, thinking, toxic relationships, sedentary lifestyles where you sit on your butt 24/7, and poor boundaries, leading to burnout and disconnection from one's own needs and the needs of others and God in your life. Constant digital overstimulation, the always on culture with constant notifications and social media keeps the nervous system in a state of high alert and prevents you from resting. Mental and emotional overload, overthinking negative and holding in unspoken resentment or suppressed emotions create significant mental clutter and emotional fatigue. High demand environments, excessive work demands, lack of support, and the need to constantly multitask leads to burnout and stress, and you neglect your self care. A sedentary lifestyle, poor nutrition, and lack of boundaries, example, saying yes when you mean no, depletes your physical and mental energy. The emotional tax of goodness in a self interested world, being empathetic or caring can feel draining, especially when dealing with people who have shallow or manipulative intentions. How to counteract the drain: set digital boundaries, practice digital detox, and reduce overstimulation. Protect your peace. Set boundaries and stop allowing empathy to be exploited in ways that actually don't do anybody any good. Prioritize physical health. Incorporate exercise and healthy eating to boost your vitality. Practice mindfulness. Focus on the present moment to break the cycle of overthinking. And when you start doing this, first thing in the morning when you get up, as I've said a million times before, put God first. Say your prayers and read your Bible before you start your day. This will set the stage for the rest of the day and the rest of the week. And keep your boundaries in place.